Hello guys, today I am going to teach you on how to delete Facebook page using your computer. In order to delete your Facebook page, go to your browser and search Facebook and then log in. After that, go to the top right and select these 9 dots like icon here. This is where you can open the menu. In the menu, go down and click Pages. This is where what you see the pages that you have in your account. It may be classified as updated pages or classic pages. As for this one, I have here an updated page. As for the classic page, I will not include it this time because it is said that the classic page will be removed in Facebook and the existing pages there will be just transferred to updated page. So let's just focus on the updated page. To continue, choose the page that you want to delete. Click the dot in here and click Switch. Now your page is now acting as your profile. Now this time, click these 3 dots in here and select Page and Tagging Settings. Go to the left side and select Facebook Page Information. Then here, in the Facebook page information, at the bottom, you can see deactivation and deletion. Click View. There will be 2 options here, to deactivate or to delete. Select accordingly and continue. You also have an option here on how to retrieve your information. If everything is good, click Delete. This time, type your password and continue. And now, the page is already deleted. Hopefully, you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.